The importance of comfortable shoes for comfortable driving. When it comes to driving, we often focus on vehicle safety and ergonomic features. However, one aspect that is frequently overlooked is the comfort of the driver's footwear. Wearing comfortable shoes while driving not only enhances driver comfort but also plays a crucial role in ensuring road safety. In this article, we will explore the importance of comfortable shoes for comfortable driving and how they can contribute to a more pleasant and safe driving experience. Proper footwear for optimal mobility. Driving requires various foot movements such as accelerating, braking, and maneuvering the pedals. Therefore, it is essential to wear shoes that allow for optimal mobility and flexibility. Sneakers or flat-soled shoes are ideal choices as they provide good grip on the pedals, allowing precise control over acceleration and braking. Stiff or high-heeled footwear can restrict movement and make it harder to modulate pedal pressure accurately. Avoiding foot fatigue and discomfort. Long drives can be tiring, especially if your feet are constantly experiencing discomfort due to ill-fitting or uncomfortable shoes. Prolonged periods of foot fatigue can lead to distractions while on the road, compromising focus and reaction times. Ensuring that you wear comfortable shoes reduces foot fatigue, promoting better concentration while driving. Enhancing blood circulation. Tight-fitting or constrictive footwear can impede blood circulation in the feet and lower legs, leading to numbness or tingling sensations. Proper blood circulation is vital for maintaining alertness during long drives. Wearing well-fitted and comfortable shoes helps facilitate proper blood flow in your feet, reducing any discomfort caused by poor circulation. Maintaining accurate pedal control. Proper pedal control is essential for safe driving. Ill-fitting or unsuitable footwear may interfere with the driver's ability to operate the pedals accurately. Shoes that are too loose can cause slippage, disrupting precise pedal control. On the other hand, shoes with bulky designs or excessive cushioning can make it challenging to get a good feel of the pedal, resulting in less responsive driving. Uncomfortable footwear can become a significant distraction while driving. If your shoes are causing discomfort or pain, it diverts attention away from the road and onto your feet. Constantly adjusting or fidgeting with uncomfortable shoes increases the risk of accidents as your focus is not fully on driving. Dealing with weather conditions. Different weather conditions require different types of footwear for optimal safety and comfort. During rainy weather, appropriate shoes with good traction help prevent slipping on wet pedals. In colder months, warm and insulated shoes protect against cold temperatures inside the vehicle cabin. Considering these aspects ensures that you have suitable footwear for all seasons and weather conditions. The role of proper fit. Proper fit is crucial when choosing driving shoes for maximum comfort. Ill-fitting shoes can result in blisters, soreness, or even pressure points that may affect your concentration while behind the wheel. It is advisable to visit a professional shoe store where experts can measure your feet accurately and recommend suitable options that provide proper support and fit. Comfortable shoes play a significant role in ensuring pleasant and safe driving experiences. From providing optimal mobility to reducing distractions and enhancing blood circulation, wearing appropriate footwear directly impacts driver comfort and focus on the road. By paying attention to our choice of footwear before getting behind the wheel, we prioritize our own well-being and contribute to safer roads for everyone.